Okay, you can see after I can change the first frames of the cooling tower will be break crunch, right? So now I have the geometries here. So we will continue to create the constraints for geometries. Okay, right. So first I want to keep the first frames because you can see I just change for first frame. So when I grab the timeline here, you can see there are no geometry was disappear. So I will raise time shift to keep the first frames here. Okay, keep the first frames. So I will raise the delete channels, and here we go. You can see, yeah. And now I will write it first. I want to write two constraints: the source constraints and the glue constraints. Okay, so first I will write the first constraint is a glue constraint, right? So I will raise the BD rules from rules up BD constraints from rules. You can see in the harmony 17.5. You see I has many times many to raise constraints from curves, line, and rules, and also we have the RBD constraint property, right? It's very fast to raise constraints. Okay. So now I will raise the constraints from I will write the constraints from rule here and link to it. You can see now I will change the point per area here. So let's see the let's go. And here we go. You can see I had the constraints. Let me change the wireframe here. You can see very cool, right? Maybe you can change the source radius to 0.01. Okay, it's okay. Maybe the max source bar here maybe 15. Okay, just 15. Okay, now I will come to raise the constraints property here. We will write constraint property APD, and now we will delete. We will connect to this. Here we go, and I want to control the constraints here. It means that when I sum the reverse frames before the destruction, I want to keep the trace before the destruction. So we have to keep the loop constraints, and when we make the destruction, the loop constraints will be removed, right? So I will write the sum the attribute to control the glue constraints, right? You can see I had the loop constraint here. You can see we have the strengths, okay, and we had a scale by attribute. It means that we can use this attribute to control the strengths of the loop constraint, right? So now I will raise the wrangles attribute. Okay, link to it, and I will turn it to the limited wrangle here, and I want to keep the loop constraints until 20 frames before, right? And after the 20 frames, we will delete the loop constraints, right? So I will write the if frames frame is larger than 20. Okay, we will the stemness. You can see I had stem. I want to count out the stem attribute route stem attribute. So I will write floors attribute, right? Stemness. Okay, you can rename the attribute. It's up to you. Okay, it's up to you, right? So I will write if the larger than 20 frames is stiffness is 0, right? Is 0, and up and before 20 frames we will have stiffness is 1, right? Okay. So okay. I will raise the another. Okay, less than. Okay, it's scale less than frames less than 20 20, right? We will have stiffness is 1. Okay, let's show. Here we go. You can see. And here we go. Let's check it. You can see I have Liberty with stiffness is frame 1. Frame 1 is 1, right? So now we will move to the overdance 20 frames. You can see stiffness is 0, and the straightness, the gravity here, you can see strength is also 0. Also 0. It should be also 0, right? So I will change the scaling now to by the attribute, and we will write out the stiffness here, right? Because the strength will be controlled by the stiffness, right? Okay, here we go. You can see I have strength also is 0, right? Okay, after strength, and we will come back, move back. You can see we at the frame 4, the strength also keep 1. Okay, very cool. It is very cool to control the strength of attribute, right? And here we go. I will write the none. Count is we count it is our glue. Okay, our glue. And I want also to raise another constraint is a sub constraint, because I want to raise a sub constraint for this, right? So I want to match the constraint with the pullets with bending point, right? Bending. Okay. So we will raise another ABD constraint here. Call it also ABD constraint from Brew. And maybe this time I will change this to hint, and the third radius also I will change this to 0.1 0.001, sorry, and much stress it may be the truth, right? I will show you how why I will reduce the radius and mass bar here, because okay. Because if we increase the surface, we will have so much point, so much constraint is so heavy. So we have to evaluate how much the surface, right? Surface to suitable for you, right? To make the simulation. So now after the constraint from Pro here, I will also write the APD property, right? Write the property for this constraint, and now we will write the sub constraint and so. Sorry. Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, now I will change the. I also keep the constraint style is loose, but now I will change the name is soft, right? Okay. And also, because I want to use the strength, I want the strength will be constrained by some attributes. So this is why I keep the constraint style is glue. Okay, and now I will write attribute controls, and this is the method. You can see I want to sum the point around the cut here. Okay, you remember this. This point here will be had the strength, the weak strength, right? And some point out here, right? Some the big species here, the constraint will be stronger. Okay. I want to control like that. So we will create the attributes, the thickness or other attributes, and we will use the code to create this. Use the color to control this, right? So first I come to, let's see. Okay, I will come to here. Okay, I will come to here and let you see. Okay. First I will First I will raise the I will link to time sys to let you see, right? Let you see first. Use time sys and also link the transform here. Sorry. Link the transform here. Come the second input, right? And I check to this. And come to here. We had we had a recess of the nearest body distance from the input 0 and input 1. And here we go. You can see I have this is a red area. This is a black area, right? So I want to this area here with the weakness, with the weaker strength. and this is stronger strength, right? This area here with the stronger strength, right? So we had to convert the area here to another property, right? So I will convert to the area here to stiffness, also stiffness attribute, right? Sorry. Now I will call it a floor stiffness, right? The same, okay? Is CDRs or CDRS because I want to use the red channel to control brakes. Okay, and here we go. You can see I had the let's see. So we run over the power attribute. So come to the power attribute here. You can see it has stiffness here, right? Red cone. Okay, and here we go. So you can see we now I will link again, right? This is how style I show you how the construct here. So now I will link again. I will link this to this. Okay, and it's so heavy because why I asked you reduce this surface radius here. You can see I tried to this bar here. So many so many bar here, right? You can see so many bar here. So we should evaluate how much the power to control the constraints for your simulation, right? Okay, and now I will link this to this. That's so. And here we go. I had constraints property. Here is stiffness, and now let's see, and yeah, let's see. Okay, and now we will use the scaling. Come to here and use scaling to scale by attribute, and also we will write out the stiffness here. Stiffness, right? And here we go. We has the attribute stiffness from the attribute constraint property here, but you can see I had strength still keep the one because why? Because you know the property constraint property work constraint is attribute from the geometry attribute, right? But the stiffness here is point attribute, so we had to remove the stiffness to the geometries, right? So I will write the remove attribute, right? Oh, sorry, it's some problem. Okay, so now we will raise the remove attribute from the point to the the geometry. Okay. But remember this, you can see when we write the RPD, PD constraint from proofs, the detail is, you can see the connection type is central mark here. So we should remember this. If we use this for self constraint, we should be train the connection type to hinges, right? Train to hinge here, right? So now we will arouse so many points here, right? You can see if we calculate here, that's right. So many points here, around here, right? You can see some around point around this here, right? Okay. So now remember this, right? So now I will write the attribute angle. Let's see. You can see I had this boy here from the RPD from the contrast here. You can see. Remember, you should be connect type to the hinge, right? So now I will remove attribute. We will remove the attribute the hinge. The stiffness here from point to remedy. Okay, here we go. And now what we have, we will have the constraints here. So country, you can see I will change the scale attribute by strength view here by stiffness. Okay, and change the name is sub. Right. Here we go, and we will check this. Go to geometry resist here and come to the geometry here. We will change the constraints geometries. You can see here the constraint name is soft and the stiffness is here. And the strength also was controlled by the stiffness, the same. Okay, you can see, very cool. And finally, I will write the node and we count it is I will call it our surf. Okay. Oh, sorry, we should be in here. Right, sorry, should be in here, and here we go. Also should be in here. Okay. And we had to check the lift constraint here. You can see I have lift constraint here also. Okay. Very good. And he's oh sorry, I will fit this because this do you remember I had some problem with the software, so this is lost the code here, so I will run again. If the frames is less than 0, we will have the okay, how it's system is also. This one. Okay. Here we go. You can see I have stiffness here. Sorry, less than 20. Sorry, 20. We have stiffness here, right? And come to here, we over 20. We have stiffness is 0. So the same, the stiffness and the strength were the same. I will change the scale to scale by attribute, and also we call it stiffness. This is so sorry because the wrecking of the software, so it's not safe. But to me, right? So I had to write out again. You can see here, and stiffness and strength the same style. Okay, and we had a constraint name is glue here. Very good. Okay, here we go. And now after this list, we will raise the simulations for the cooling tower, right? Okay.